defense mechanisms in real life. Human beings often like to believe that they are fully aware of their thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. However, psychology suggests that a significant part of our mental life operates unconsciously. There are moments when people avoid painful truths, redirect emotions, or behave defensively without consciously realizing why. According to psychoanalytic theory, these responses are not random. They are psychological processes known as defense mechanisms. Today's video explores the concept of defense mechanisms, their origin in psychoanalytic thought, different types of mechanisms, their role in emotional functioning, and how they appear in everyday life. Origin of defense mechanisms. The concept of defense mechanisms originated within Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theory and was later expanded by his daughter, Anna Freud. Freud proposed that the human mind is structured into three parts: the id, the ego, the superego. The id represents instinctual desires and operates on the pleasure principle. The superego represents morality and social standards. The ego acts as a mediator between these two conflicting forces and external reality. When individuals experience anxiety, guilt, conflict, or emotional distress, the ego attempts to protect itself from psychological discomfort. Defense mechanisms emerge as unconscious strategies that reduce emotional tension and preserve psychological stability. Anna Freud further systematized these mechanisms in her work The Ego and the Mechanisms of Defense, emphasizing how they function in everyday adaptation. Denial. One of the most common defense mechanisms is denial. Denial occurs when an individual refuses to acknowledge reality because it is emotionally overwhelming or threatening. For example, a person diagnosed with a severe illness may initially refuse to accept the diagnosis. Similarly, individuals in unhealthy relationships may minimize abusive behavior or insist that everything is fine. Denial temporarily protects individuals from emotional shock and allows gradual adjustment. However, prolonged denial may interfere with problem-solving, decision-making, and emotional growth. Psychologically, denial demonstrates how the mind prioritizes emotional survival when reality becomes difficult to process. Projection. Projection occurs when individuals attribute their own unacceptable feelings, thoughts, or impulses to others. For instance, a person experiencing jealousy may accuse others of being jealous. Someone struggling with hostility may perceive others as aggressive. Freud believed that projection allows individuals to distance themselves from uncomfortable internal experiences by externalizing them. Projection can often influence interpersonal relationships because individuals begin reacting not to objective reality, but to emotions they themselves are unconsciously carrying. This mechanism highlights the complex relationship between self-awareness and emotional regulation. Displacement. Displacement involves redirecting emotional impulses from a threatening target to a safer substitute. For example, a person criticized by their superior at work may suppress anger in that setting, but later express irritation toward family members or friends. The original source of frustration may feel unsafe to confront directly, so the emotional energy becomes transferred elsewhere. Displacement illustrates how unresolved emotional tension can influence unrelated interactions and contribute to emotional miscommunication. Sublimation and humor. Not all defense mechanisms are maladaptive. Sublimation is considered one of the healthiest defense mechanisms. It occurs when socially unacceptable impulses are redirected into constructive or socially valued activities. For example, aggressive impulses may be redirected into sports, creative expression, or activism. Humor is another adaptive defense mechanism. People may use humor to process grief, trauma, or anxiety in ways that reduce emotional intensity while preserving social connection. These mechanisms demonstrate that psychological defense is not always harmful. In many cases, it contributes positively to emotional resilience and coping. Defense mechanisms and mental health. Defense mechanisms play an important role in protecting mental well-being. Without them, individuals might become overwhelmed by anxiety, guilt, or emotional conflict. However, excessive dependence on rigid defense mechanisms may interfere with self-awareness, relationships, and emotional development. For example, chronic denial may prevent individuals from seeking help. Projection may damage trust in relationships. Repression of emotions may contribute to psychological distress over time. Modern psychology recognizes that while defense mechanisms are natural, emotional growth often requires gradually becoming aware of them. Defense mechanisms remind us that the human mind is not only rational, but also protective. Many everyday behaviors that appear irrational, defensive, or emotionally confusing may actually reflect unconscious attempts to manage psychological discomfort. Understanding defense mechanisms encourages empathy, self-reflection, and emotional awareness. Rather than judging human behavior superficially, psychology invites us to explore the deeper emotional processes operating beneath the surface.